If your home has a basement, it probably has a sump pump installed in the lowest corner. If the pump is working correctly, it will collect groundwater in a pit below the basement floor. When the pit begins to fill, a float switch triggers the sump pump to turn itself on. Then it pumps the water out of the discharge line away from your home. We recommend at least 10 feet from any part of your foundation. If the pump is working, test it by pouring a few buckets of water into the pit. Make sure the pump turns on, empties most of the water from the pit, then turns itself off again. You'll notice that some pumps require electricity to operate. That means if a storm knocks out power to your home, the sump pump can no longer do its job. But the professional experts at Peak Structural offer a triple safe sump pump with a battery backup system that will continue to pump away storm water and prevent flooding, even during an outage.
Homeowners with some do-it-yourself skills should be able to handle testing the functionality of the sump pump. But it's important to recognize when you're in over your head. Peak Structural has been helping thousands of homeowners along the Front Range for over 16 years. We are your sump pump experts. Get your sump pump serviced by the experts before the spring rains come. Call Peak Structural today and mention the code SUMP, S-U-M-P, and save $30 on your sump pump service. Call 719-260-7070 or chat with us at peakstructural.com.